Congratulations on your decision to purchase a home. As a prospective buyer, when you sit down with an agent, you will probably have lots of questions in your head, but maybe you're not quite sure how to ask them. Or maybe you wonder what is appropriate to ask. As a buyer, you may be thinking, is this agent working in my best interest? Will my agent share what I'm telling them with the seller's agent? As your real estate agent, we want you to feel comfortable and rest assured that all your questions and concerns will be answered, and more importantly, fully understood. My team of agents are full-time realtors. This is not a side job for them, and they are not in a semi-retired position. Real estate is a full-time career for all of us. We work around the clock for our buyers and sellers. And when you hire my team, we will work for you in a single agent capacity. This means we work for you, the buyer, and in your best interest. So let's go over how you will benefit as a VIP buyer and how we can make your home buying dreams come true. Our mission is to help you find the very best home for your needs. We will help you negotiate the lowest price with the least amount of hassle. And we will accomplish this with the support of our exclusive Home Hunter system, our unique team systems, our innovative VIP buyer programs, our leading edge technology, and we deliver this with our specialized knowledge. I will explain our VIP buyer system in full and how the process that we use to help buyers find the place that they call home is completely different than the way other real estate agents work. I'm going to spend some time talking about the exclusive consumer programs that we've developed as a direct result of our experience with thousands of home buyers in the area. I will explain to you what these programs are and how they will benefit you in finding the best home at the best price with the least hassle. We are going to spend some time talking about what you like and don't like, what kind of home and where, what you can afford and what you can qualify, and much, much more. Those conversations may well involve my asking you questions that deal with things that are personal or confidential. So I would like to explain agency in Florida. Under Florida law, it is presumed that all licensees are operating as a transaction broker unless a single agent or a no-broker relationship has been established, and this would be in writing with you, the customer. This means that you have limited representation. Most agents in Florida work in a transaction agency capacity. This means the realtor owes their customer limited confidentiality and obedience. The agents are not required to be fully obedient or work in a full disclosure to their customer. The transaction broker is there only to facilitate the transaction. That realtor who is the transaction broker may not have your best interest in mind because this type of transaction lacks loyalty, confidentiality, obedience, and full disclosure. That type of realtor is not working for you. So unless you have a written agreement, your best interests are not being represented. Let's look at this video.
If you're looking to invest in real estate, finding the highest form of representation will secure your transaction. Do you know the difference between a transaction broker and a single agent? A transaction broker will only facilitate your transaction. They may not have your best interest in mind because this type of relationship lacks loyalty, confidentiality, obedience, and full disclosure. Under Florida law, it is presumed that all licensees are operating as a transaction broker unless a single agent or a no-broker relationship has been established in writing with the customer. When you establish a relationship with a single agent, you're securing your representation. You have someone working for you and not with you. A single agent owes their client loyalty, full confidentiality, obedience, and disclosure. At Bianchi Realty and Property Management, our team of buyer specialists are full-time, fully licensed agents that work day after day for our VIP buyer clients in their best interest. They will not sell you a house, but rather find the one you want to buy. They only work with our VIP buyer clients in a single agent capacity. Become a VIP buyer and let us work in your best interest, helping you get the best terms and the best price possible.
As you know, any agent can show you a home, help you find financing, provide property listings from MLS, explain the forms and agreements, and monitor the closings. Those duties are simply facilitating the transaction. But with my team, you are hiring us as a single agent. We owe you loyalty, full confidentiality, obedience, and full disclosure. So, with my team representing you as a single agent, unlike a transaction broker, you get loyalty, full confidentiality, obedience, and full disclosure. Under Florida law, it is presumed that all licensees are operating as a transaction broker unless a single agent or a no broker relationship has been established and in writing with you, the customer. An additional benefit is we're going to help you secure the best financing at the lowest rate, at the lowest terms with our preferred lender, and this will help you beat out other buyers to the perfect home. Another shocking fact is according to research and surveys, 69% of home buyers don't want to go back and do business with the same real estate agent. The number one reason stated in the survey was poor communication. Over the years of tracking our closings, we found that on average, over 75% of our business is past clients and referrals. So our clients come back over and over again, and we're so proud of those results. How most agents operate. Take a look at the ABCs of real estate services. Most agents advertise a home to get you to call them. They beg you to come and talk to them. They choose a bunch of homes that they like, drive you from house to house, and encourage you to make an offer on one of those properties. Then many feel frustrated because the home that they selected are not to your liking. So the wrong person is in control of the home buying process. That is how most agents operate. They are a one-man show juggling all the balls, trying to be all things to all people, and that leaves them with very little time at the end of the day to try and take care of the people that are the most important to them in their life. They have limited resources, limited time and energy, and they are trying to juggle several clients, doing follow-up calls, sales, marketing service, and all the admin work with little or no help, and many times with limited funds. So it doesn't need to work that way, but that's how most agents operate, a one-man show. We do it differently. Our approach is the team approach. With our VIP buyer system, you will have an entire team helping you to find the best home at the best price with the least hassle. Instead of a solo person doing everything, you get a whole team of professionals working for you. This is the preferred way of serving clients in most fields of business. Each team member in our company has a very specific role to play in helping you with your real estate goals. I'm Brenda Bianchi, and I've been in the business for over 42 years. We are a family-owned and operated business, and many of our team members have been with us for 14 years or more. We will be here tomorrow and the next day. We are committed to this business and to our clients. Our buyers' agents are full-time licensed agents. They will represent buyers all day, every day, and the only thing they do is work with our clients. They can show anyone's listings. They can show everyone's listings. They can even show you for sale by owners, bank-owned homes, new construction, and off-market properties. But they only work with our buyer clients. There are some real benefits to this team system, and I'm sure you will see this right away. For example, you know how most agents are constantly being interrupted by their cell phone? You kind of wonder when your turn will come and get their attention, right? Well, that won't happen because our buyer's agents have only one thing to focus on, you and your needs. You see, we are handling everything else for them at the office here, so there won't be any distractions. Since this is what they do all day, every day, they know what is out there, and they will quickly find you a home, or they'll determine that there isn't one there. The next question will be whether that is temporary, or we just have to wait and watch, or perhaps your expectations are unrealistic and some adjustments may be needed, either in price, location, or some other factors. Another very subtle but most important benefit is that they are not there to sell you a home, but rather to find you the one that you want to buy, and will keep working with you until you say, "This is the one I want." And once we have all the details put together and our executed contract, our transaction coordinator handles all the details from contract to closing, coordinating the inspections, the repairs, legal and title concerns, whatever it takes, keeping you informed all the way through to closing and receiving the key to your new home. The transaction coordinator, your team agent, and I are in touch every day. It's all happening with my supervision all the way through closing. I am also available anytime you have concerns. We are committed to investing in the needs of our community through our Go Serve Big mission. We donate a portion of every commission to very worthy causes. Ronald McDonald House Charities helps keep families with sick children together and near the care and resources that they need. Give Kids the World Village is a nonprofit resort in Central Florida that provides week-long, cost-free vacations to children with life-threatening illnesses and their families. Carlton Manor strives to support our community's most vulnerable children through the development of loving and structural environments that promote emotional healing and behavioral change. Once you have hired us to represent you, there are 12 key systems that are activated to get you the best home at the best price with the least amount of hassle. Our exclusive VIP buyer system focuses on your needs, what you are looking for, to ensure that you get the very best house for the lowest price with the very best financing and the least amount of hassle to you. The first step is to find out how much you can afford by helping you get pre-approved with a home loan. And this is free of charge. If we don't know how much financing we can get you, then we won't know what price range you are in or if the home we are showing you will qualify for the type of loan that you're getting. In addition to that, there are several down payment assistance programs available, and we can see if you are eligible for any of those programs. Many buyers make the mistake of doing it all backwards. In other words, they go out and start looking at homes above or below their price range, and they waste so much time. I have a great relationship with lenders, so we can help you get the very best financing, the lowest down payment, and the best rates available. By getting pre-approved in writing, you can make a stronger offer because we can attach your pre-approval to the offer. When you see a home you like and I'm negotiating an offer on your behalf, that offer will be a firm cash offer and will not need to be contingent on financing. It won't have to be conditional on something happening. Let me explain what I mean. Let's assume there are two buyers, buyer A and buyer B. In this situation, you are not the buyer, you are the seller. If you were the seller and these two offers were presented and you are the seller, which offer would you accept? The offer from buyer A is for $325,000 and it's a cash offer. It has absolutely no conditions. That's like money in the bank. The offer from buyer B is also for $325,000. However, this one is conditional on financing. So it's a maybe. It's not for sure. This buyer has not been approved for financing. Now, if you were the seller, which offer would you accept? Would you prefer offer A or offer B? Obviously, you would take offer A. And this is exactly how other sellers are going to react when you place your offer in. So we want to make sure that we get you pre-approved so that when I go in and negotiate your offer, I go in with a position of strength where we have a cash offer and it's a sure thing to the seller's eyes. It's not a maybe. So that's the benefit of getting pre-approved. And if there is a multiple offer situation, which means there's more than one offer, we're going to make sure that your offer beats out the other offers just by getting pre-approved. And again, it doesn't cost you anything to get pre-approved. As a matter of fact, it's going to save you money. So which offer would you accept? Now, it's really easy to get pre-approved. First, a home loan credit report is generated by the credit bureau. Second, your employment, bank accounts, and rental payments, if applicable, are verified. Finally, all information is forwarded to the underwriter for approval. Most realtors make a random search through MLS and they pick out 6 to 8 homes to show you. And they will try to sell you one of those homes. So the wrong person is choosing which homes you will see. The real estate agent is in control, not you. We don't do it that way. We will prepare that offer with all the terms, provisions, stipulations, and an addendum that is in your best interest. We are going to present that offer to the seller's agent on your behalf. It's my job to get you that house at the price you want to pay. I'm going to negotiate the very best price and terms for you. Once we have an acceptable agreement, we will walk you through the closing process from start to finish. We will recommend competent affiliates needed during the closing process, including legal expertise, home inspectors, termite inspectors, title companies, and insurance companies. Your transaction will close quickly with the least amount of cost and hassle as a result of our VIP buyer services. We will make sure that you get a free 1-year home warranty with America's Preferred Warranty. And the really cool thing about this company is you get to use your trusted vendors. We will also provide you with our exclusive buyback guarantee. If you're not satisfied with that home purchase during the first year, we will buy it back or sell it for free. and we'll provide that warranty to you in writing. As one of our VIP buyers, if we don't live up to our promises and we fail to deliver the services that we promised you, we have a cancellation agreement. And this is a way for you to work with us that is totally risk free. There is a difference in just buying a home and buying your home right. There are several big reasons to work with the Brenda Bianchi team in purchasing your home. Rather than searching for a home on your own that may already be sold, with my team, you will get priority access to all the homes that match your home buying criteria, whether on the market or off the market. Instead of wasting time viewing homes that someone else has picked out for you, you will pick the homes that you want to see from the regular updates you receive from our team. You will not be pressured to buy a home, but will have access to any and all homes which you can see at your leisure and with no pressure to buy. You will not overpay for the home that you want. You will get the best possible price and terms because you will not need to compete with multiple offers and buyers. We get you pre-qualified free of charge and provide you with access to any financing you may qualify for. No wasting time on homes above or below your price range, and you will beat out buyers that are not pre-approved. You are backed by our specialized market knowledge. You will have my entire team of pros and leading edge technology at your fingertips. This means you save time and money, and your purchase will be hassle-free. You will receive a 1-year home warranty and have the security of knowing your home has that protection. You will receive a written satisfaction guarantee that if you are not satisfied with your purchase during that first 12 months, we will buy it back or sell it for free. You receive priority access to our competent affiliates that can assist you with your home purchase needs before and after your purchase. So put my team to work in helping you find the best home at the best price with the least amount of hassle. We look forward to working with you.